Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make my absolutely favorite menudo. So if you want to learn how to make it, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. We're going to begin by rinsing the honeycomb tripe and beef feed. Then cut the tripe into about 1 to 2 inch pieces. Place the tripe and beef feed in a large bowl. Give it another rinse until the water comes out clean. Now cover halfway with freshly squeezed lime juice and cover the rest with water. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap and allow it to sit for at least 2 hours. Alright guys, so after allowing our beef tripe and feed to soak in the lime juice for at least 2 hours, now we're just going to get ready to rinse it one more time. So here I'm just going to remove the limes and we're going to rinse it again until the water comes out clear. Alright guys, and once we have removed all of the stinkiness from the honeycomb tripe in the feed, now we can get ready to cook it. So right now all you smell is the freshness from the lime. So that's a good sign. So we're just going to take it to the stove. Alrighty guys, so here I have 5 quarts of boiling hot water. I have it set over high heat. To that we're going to add 3 tablespoons of salt, 1 whole onion, 1 head of garlic, 3 bay leaves, along with our beef tripe and feet. So now we're just going to allow it to come to a boil. Alright guys, so once it comes to a boil, here we're going to remove the top layer of our broth. So just remove all of that. And here we're going to be adding 1 tablespoon of menudo mix. This is just a blend of oregano, spices, pepper, and all of the goodness. Now we're just going to reduce the heat to medium, cover it, and allow it to cook for 2 hours. Alright guys, so after 2 hours, we're going to give our hominy a good rinse, and we're just going to reserve 1 cup of it. And now we're just going to open our pot, and this is what it's starting to look like. Again, we're going to give it another skim, just so that we can remove all of the oil. You don't want none of that. Okay, and here we're also going to remove the onion and the head of garlic. Okay, now add the hominy. Okay, give it a mix. Cover it and allow it to continue cooking. Meanwhile, we make our sauce. Okay, now to make our sauce, we're going to add our 25 New Mexico or Guajillo chili pods to our small saucepan. Make sure to remove the stem, the seeds, and give them a good rinse, along with the 3 chile anchos. And now we're just going to cover them with water, set it on high heat, and bring it to a boil. Okay, and as soon as our chiles come to a boil, they should have softened. So now we're just going to transfer them to our blender cup. And now we can get ready to blend it. Alright, now to the blender cup, you're also going to add the reserved hominy, 4 garlic cloves, and you're going to blend with 4 cups of water. Okay, now just blend it to smooth. Okay, and just like that, we have our sauce. So now we can transfer it to our pot. Okay, now carefully open your pot and add your sauce. Now, of course, strain if you need to. But just add it in there. Going to grab some of the broth so I can get the rest of the sauce. Okay, now here we're just going to give it a good mix. And now we're just going to cover it and allow it to continue cooking for another 30 to 45 minutes or until our beef tripe and the feet are fully cooked. Alright guys, so after 30 minutes, our menudo should be done. Of course, we're going to check the tripe to make sure that it is completely cooked and it should be nice and soft as well as the feet. So grab a little piece and it should rip apart super easy. And that's how you know that it is done. So just like that, now we can get ready to serve our delicious menudo. Alrighty guys, and once we have served our menudo, now we can get ready to top it. So I'm going to begin by squeezing some lime juice, adding some more oregano. And because I do like it spicy, I like to add some chile piquin or piquin. And of course, some onion. And I love lots of onion in my menudo, and some cilantro. And just like that, we can now get ready to enjoy. Alright guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now tell me you guys in the comment section, are you team bolillo or team corn tortillas? Because let me tell you, I cannot eat my menudo without my bolillo bread. Of course it has to be, smothered in some butter. But let me tell you guys that when I first started cooking, I thought menudo was so hard and difficult to make. But let me tell you, it's one of the easiest recipes. The trick or the secret, you know, is just to make sure that you really clean your tripe and of course the sauce. But let me tell you that this recipe right here never fails. It's honestly the best. So hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. I'm gonna dip my bolillo right in there. So good. Nothing beats homemade menudo. This right here, super delicious. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how I make my favorite menudo. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you agree with this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.